Look. Looks so yummy. Let me see how it tastes. See here. Guys, really good. It is. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Ellie and please, before we begin, don't forget to subscribe and like, and please don't forget to push the notification bell so that you will see my next vlogs, my next cookings, because I love to cook. Today is November the 25th. It's the day before Thanksgiving here in United States. So guys, we will prepare for our food tomorrow. So first, I gonna bake a banana nut cake. So these are all my ingredients. It's right here. It's 2 cups of flours, 2 bananas, 1.5 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 2 eggs, 1/2 cup of milk, 1/2 cup of pecan nuts, 1/2 cup of butter or margarine, and 1.5 cups of sugar. Okay guys, so now let's start to make to mix this. First, I already separated the eggs. You need to separate the yellow and the white eggs, okay? And then you have to cream the eggs, the sugar, and the butter. Okay, you have to cream that. Okay guys, it's already creamy. The eggs, the butter, and the sugar is already creamy. Guys, just mix it for at least 2 to 3 minutes, and it should be ready. Okay, so this is what it look like. Okay guys, now is the white egg. I have to beat the white egg until it's very fluffy. Okay, there we go. Okay guys, this is already our egg whites. It's already stiff and fluffy. It's really nice. So now we are going to add it to our banana mixture. Okay, it's right here. Just fold it. Just fold and fold. Now we are going to add the pecan nuts. Just fold and fold. All right, guys, so just fold and fold and fold until it get mixed. Okay. Okay, now this is ready to bake. Now guys, we are going to get the baking pan, or the, how it called that, the molds. Okay. And guys, before we go on, we are going to put our oven to 130 degrees. Okay, 130. Okay, and you're supposed to bake this for 130 degrees for 30 to 40 minutes. So after 40 minutes, it should be done. Okay, guys, this is my baking pan. To like a look like a baking pan, and I use the Pam. Oh, the Pam spray. I have to spray it so that it's gonna be easy to take it out when it's cooked, when it's done. Okay. Okay, now we're gonna put it in our baking pan. Here we go. Okay, guys, it's already here. It's ready to bake. So when our oven is ready, when the heat is ready, we are going to put this in the oven. So guys, the oven is ready. So now we are going to put our coconut. I'm sorry, coconut. It's our banana nut cake. So here we go. We are going to put there in our oven. One by one. So, okay, we'll see you back in 40 minutes and see how it look. Hi guys, it's already been 40 minutes. So, we will see how it looks. So, ta-da! Ta-da! Looks good, guys. Looks good. Looks very good. Here is, guys. Here it is. Very nice. Very look good. So yummy. So we are going to try and test it how it tastes. So we're gonna take it off from the pan. Here it is. Very look good. See how easy I took it off from the pan? It's because of the spray, the cooking spray. It's called Pam. here it is. Here we go. I'm gonna put it there. Looks good, looks so yummy. And now still a little bit hot, but we can try to cut it and try it and how it tastes. We'll see. Okay, here we go. Looks so good. Smells so yummy. Okay guys, here it is. Look. Looks so yummy. Let me see how it tastes. See there. Guys, really good. It is really, really good. Yes, I love it. So, guys, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy my vlog for today. And I hope you will learn how to cook banana nut cake. Anyway, I don't like the icing, the topping or whatever, because it get too sweet. So we're just gonna eat it like this, no topping or nothing, just like this. So please enjoy. So guys, I hope you enjoy my vlog for today, and I hope you learn how to cook banana nut cake. So, and that's one of my specialties sometimes. Anyway, I just love to cook. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe and like, and push the notification bell so that you will see or you can get notified when I have a new vlog for cooking. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on my next vlog. Bye bye.